EAS, formerly ENAPAC, designs, manufactures and sells quick mold change (QMC), quick die change (QDC), and general mono and multi-coupler solutions. These increase machine productivity by reducing downtime, increasing flexibility and safety, reducing labor and inventory costs, and lowering manufacturing costs. Located in the Netherlands and the USA, and with a global sales network serving local customers, we can also reduce your manufacturing costs. We and our partners can save you money. From a simple monocoupler to a completely automated factory, EAS has the know-how and experience to help you from concept to completion. Time. Today, more than ever, time is money. Enhancing productivity and just-in-time manufacturing have become major industrial goals for this century. In the plastic and steel stamping industries, productivity improvements such as the reciprocating screw and mold chillers have been quickly implemented. Even with positive changes in machine productivity, injection molding machines remain idle for up to 40% of their usable working hours. The majority of this idle time is required to change molds. With today's focus on decreasing inventories, the plastic and steel manufacturer is faced with the decision of either increasing the machine productivity by producing large lot runs of the same part, or reducing inventory with frequent mold or die changes, thus sacrificing productivity. The trade-off between improving productivity and decreasing inventory has resulted in a major industrial problem. EAS mold and die change systems can solve your problem by dramatically reducing the time required for mold changeovers. Time after time, EAS has installed systems that have directly translated mold change hours into mold change minutes, similar as in Formula One races. A key component in a winning race team is the speed of the pit crew. Eliminating time during tire changes can mean the difference between first and second place. Time saving during mold or die changes can mean the difference between profit and loss for you too. You can have the fastest team too. Stay competitive. Increase your flexibility. Run smaller batches. Just-in-time delivery, lean production and manufacturing. Maximize your profit. EAS Mold and Die Change Systems can help you achieve a time-saving win by showing you the benefits of utilizing mold die change systems. EAS provides reduction of expensive non-productive mold change from hours to minutes. You can increase the utilization of your machines up to 15%. Reduction of labor costs up to 40% by applying semi-automatic or automatic mold die change systems, especially with 3 shifts and during the weekend. Safer and cleaner working conditions. Increased flexibility, enabling you to run small batches and faster reaction times to changing demands. Reduce stock by up to 60%. Freeing up capital for other investments. 15% reducing downtime. 40% reducing labor costs. 60% reducing your stock. This is one of the top levels of sophistication that can be provided by EAS mold and die change systems for totally automated changeover. However, EAS also provides custom quick mold and die change solutions to meet your manufacturing needs. Do you want to know what this system could mean for your business?